Practice 4.1. Move the constant to the right and the variable to the left, in which the explanation speed is careful and step by step. The job here is to solve these two equations. Please pause the video and try to do that. Okay, I'm back. We have a constant term here plus 6, and we also have one over there. What I want to do is move the constant terms over to the right. We also have a variable on the right and a variable on the left, and I would like to collect them together on the left. Here's how I do it. I begin using techniques that we have already studied. I begin by getting this 6 out of the picture. I do it by subtracting 6 from both sides, or you can think of that as adding -6. Either way, it makes a 0, and so leaves me somewhat more simple on the left with 4x. On the right, we have 3x, and 11 and -6 is the same as 11 minus 6. It's positive 5. This is a simpler looking equation. I now wish to get this be gone. So what I'm going to do is I am going to subtract 3x from both sides of the equation. Doing to the left side what I do to the right preserves a balance and keeps my equation correct. 4x and -3x is just like 4 minus 3x, which is 1x, which is just x. On the right, this is now a 0. And so it is something I can simply ignore because 0 plus 5 is just 5. The answer is x is equal to 5. Over here on the right, I will do this a little faster by subtracting 5 from both sides. But before I do that, I am also going to subtract 2x from both sides, doing in one step what I did before a moment ago in 2 steps. Well, here we go. -3 and -2 is -5x. And you can see how much room I'm taking up because -5 and +5 were 0. They're gone. -2 and +2x, -2x and +2x is 0. What about 35 minus 5? Well, that's just 30. I'm not quite done. I need to make a 1 by dividing both sides by -5. And so this becomes a 1 here, and I'm left simply with x on the left, and on the right it's 30 divided by -5, a positive divided by a negative. Is that positive or negative? Answer, it's a negative. -6. There's the answer. Thanks very much. I hope it makes sense. Keep practicing, and we'll see you next time.